Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Wow, what a car we're going to show you this afternoon. 1972 Tomaso Pantera. What a beautiful ride. This car has been completely restored. It has a 351 Cleveland in it with a ZX5 or ZF5 5-speed manual transmission. It is power steering. It is air conditioning, converted to 134. It's got custom Boyd Coddington one-off wheels on it. It's got steel GTS flares on it. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. I've never owned one of these cars. I found this car and I said, I just have to have it. So I bought it and brought it home, and I've driven it a couple times. I've had the car for a couple months now, and it's really hard to even list this thing for sale because it's just so nice. And I like it a lot, but like everything else, you know, I have it for a while and decide that I'll pass it on to the next person and let the next person enjoy it. But, whoo, about as close as to a supercar as you can get. It kind of is a supercar. Beautiful interior. It's got factory gauges in it. It's got a gated shifter, power windows, Pioneer CD player. All those gauges are original. Dash is just absolutely gorgeous in the car. Pantera floor mats. Say staggered wheels. It's got 255s on the front and 335s on the back. Paint is beautiful. Interior is beautiful. I don't claim to be a professional on Panteras, but I can tell you one thing, I think they're badass. It's got aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. This car is just so much fun to drive. I'll start it up here. Signal, bright headlights. This thing is just so awesome. What a car. Headlights work. They go up and down like they're supposed to. Pretty impressive polished transmission, intake valve covers, air cleaner, overflow jugs. Pretty damn impressive car. I haven't decided the price of this car yet. It's probably going to be a 139 or 149 car. sweet ride, isn't it?
It is nice. Pretty rare car around here, anywhere.
That little squealing, I think the speedometer cable might need to have some grease put on it. Either that or just needs to be exercised a little bit. I'm sure this car is 56,000 original mile car. You know, like most of the stuff, it sits around more than you drive it. Probably wonder what the heck's going up and down the road in town here.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that?
You don't see these.
Old drunk guy there at the bar.
He's seen doubles.
You know what this guy's doing. He might be drunk too. gated shifters in it.
Yeah.
The car looks like a Lamborghini from the back.
Yeah.